It depends. When we say a claim is denied, we can mean a few things. Number one, first of all, it could be that your employer denies or disagrees that anything happened or doesn't believe you, number one. And they may communicate that to their insurance company, and that could certainly affect what the insurance company decides to do about your case. And the insurance company is another level where your claim may be quote unquote denied. Just because the insurance company denies your claim doesn't mean you don't have a claim or that it's not a worthy one. It's just they're choosing not to pay it voluntarily. What do you do about that? Again, that goes back to filing a petition, hiring a lawyer, filing a petition in workers' compensation court to get a judge's ruling on whether you qualify for workers' compensation benefits. Certainly not timely reporting your injury to your employer can be a problem, and it's important to do. But there can be a lot of explanations as to why you didn't. A lot of times people are hurt at the end of the day and think they'll just be able to go home, ice, wake up tomorrow and be fine. And then when that doesn't happen, they'll report it. And that can be fine. We would always suggest that you report it as soon as you know something. But there can be explanations for delays in reporting, but there's still a very common reason or excuse an employer or an insurance company will look at and justify to deny your claim and not pay you anything. But it really comes down to why wasn't it reported? And if there's a reasonable explanation for that and you do ultimately report it, then it can be fine and you can qualify for workers' compensation. A lot of the times you may go to the doctors right away, and when I pull that medical report and look at it, it's very clear that you told the doctor or the hospital that you were injured at work, and there can even be a description about what you were doing at work when you were injured, and that certainly is supportive of the claim. But you do need to let your employer know as soon as is practical.